Boost team communication with Slack. Top tips. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your team communication using Slack, especially with the latest features. Make sure you stick around till the end because some of these tips will completely change the way your team collaborates. Let's jump right in. First up, use Slack channels the smart way. Slack has improved how you organize your channels. Create separate channels for each project or department, and use naming conventions like #ProjDesign or #TeamMarketing to keep things tidy. You can even pin important messages or documents to the top of each channel so everyone stays on the same page. Next, take full advantage of Slack's new AI-powered summaries. If you've missed a long thread or were away for a few hours, Slack will now give you a quick recap of what was discussed in any channel. This saves a ton of time and keeps you from scrolling endlessly to catch up. Now here's a tip people often overlook. Use huddles and clips. Slack huddles are like instant voice or video chats inside any channel, perfect for quick brainstorms without scheduling a full meeting. And clips let you record short audio or video messages when typing isn't ideal. Great for async teams working across time zones. Lastly, customize your notifications. Too many pings kill productivity, so set your preferences smartly. Mute less important channels and use keywords to get alerted only when something relevant to you comes up. And there you go. These top Slack tips will help keep your team organized, efficient, and connected. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.